Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reverb and slow songs. First, let's grasp the essence of reverb, which simulates sound reflections in a space, adding depth and spaciousness. Then, we'll explore slowing down audio, which stretches the sound, often lowering its pitch. Combining these two techniques creates that distinct, dreamy, and often melancholic vibe you hear in many popular tracks. We'll cover the fundamental steps to achieve this effect effectively. To add reverb, open your audio software and select a reverb effect. Start by setting the decay time, which dictates how long the reverb tail lasts. Often, a longer decay, like 3 to 5 seconds, works well for a dreamy feel. Next, adjust the wet/dry mix, typically around 20 to 40% wet, to blend the effect subtly. Finally, consider a short pre-delay, perhaps 10 to 30 milliseconds, to give the original sound a moment before the reflections start. Now, let's slow down the audio. In your chosen software, find the tempo or speed control. A good starting point is to reduce the tempo by about 10 to 25%. For example, if a song is 120 beats per minute, try reducing it to 90 to 108 beats per minute. Crucially, make sure your software's pitch correction is active to prevent the audio from sounding too low or distorted as it slows down. Once you've applied both reverb and the slowed effect, it's time to fine-tune. You can apply these effects in any order, but often slowing first then adding reverb yields great results. Listen carefully to how the two effects interact. You might need to slightly tweak the reverb's decay or the tempo percentage. Ensure your overall volume is balanced, avoiding clipping. Finally, export your track, ideally as a WAV or high-quality MP3, to share your unique creation.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.